Are you all ready for our first savings challenge in 2026? Yay! Well, we're saving money for an emergency fund with the 52-week savings challenge with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Yeah, and we'll have money to tap into. So join me in this savings challenge, and it will help you to get emergency funds started and keep it going. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy if you have some money to tap into when emergency comes. You don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. No, you don't. You want to have money to tap into. And I have 7 savings challenge. And first of all, let me say, Happy New Year. Thank God for blessing us to see another year. Yes. Took us through 2025, and we're here to see 2026. So, and this is the first savings challenge for 2026. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 4 that I do on Thursdays. Now, and it is working with small amounts of money. What you need is some kind of container, and I call this my money bag savings challenge. This is a money bag. And if you want to purchase one of these, you can go on eBay and Etsy and put in, I think it's called mint money bag, something like that. And this will come up. I saw one just like this on eBay for $12.99. It may be gone by now, but they have others that are similar to this. Some of them are plain with no words on it. But you see, this says $1,000. See that? $1,000. And it says quarters. So, and what else you need is 2 rows of quarters. See? 10, that's $10. 20, that's $20. That's all you need. And we're stuffing this money bag with $20, 2 rows of quarters every Thursday. And that's a small amount of money. Sometimes you may need to, if you don't have it, if you're in this situation or this situation, look at how much money is coming in and how much is going out. Sometimes you could take a bill, like if you have a gas bill for $150, rather than paying the whole $150, take $20 out of it and pay $130 and put towards your emergency fund. If you can't do it every week, do it every 2 weeks. If you can't do it every 2 weeks, do it every 3 weeks, once a month. But do something. That way, you'll have money to tap into once it starts growing. And we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000, but we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if something like this happens, like this here, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment. You can still buy food for 3 to 6 months until your situation changes. Or if you have something like this, you will have money to go into and pay for those things. Like I said, you don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. And another thing, by having an emergency fund and your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, you won't have to go out and get one of these, see that? And run up a bunch of these, because this is this here. this is this. We want to get in there. We want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Now, if you're getting into something like this, that's good because that can cause you to have passive income and to become financially free. We don't want to just save money for emergency fund. We want to be financially free. Yes, we do. Okay? And another thing that can help you do things is try to start paying this off. This can help you also to become financially free and have passive income because you have more money to invest and make that money grow. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, and if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge because like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. $20, that's not that much money. If you go to a place like this all the time, you can buy this at the store and make your own, and you would have $20 to put into an emergency fund. When you buying this all the time at this place, you spend a lot of money, and if you go to the store and buy, you have more coffee and spend less money. Yeah. Okay, so before we go ahead and add our money to our money bag, let's take the time and say our daily affirmations. Death and life is in the power of our tongue, and we have what we say. We're going to call those things as being out as though they were. We're going to believe, receive, and expect these things to happen. Okay? I decree and I declare money now cometh. I'm sorry. I decree and I declare large sums of money now cometh to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. Okay? I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full and all my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare that I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. And you know it. Believe it, receive it, expect it. Get it in your mind. Start visualizing it until you start seeing it. And when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead now. This savings challenge, I had finished it in October of 2024, and I started it over in 2025. So, but I start thinking, since today is the first day of the year, I'm going to start it over because what was happening, it was ending in October. And I would like for it to end at the end of the year. So I decided I'm going to start it over. And if you've been following me and been doing this particular savings challenge, you should have some rolls of quarters already saved, but that's okay. That's okay. I just want to start this over for 2026. So we got our money bag, and it doesn't have to be a money bag. You can get some other kind of container to put it in, just as long as you have something. Okay. All right. I gotta scoot my chair back a little. Okay, so we have 10, 20, and we're adding this to our money bag. Okay. Yay! $20. Okay, let me go ahead and record this. And this is my planner that I got from Dollar Tree for 2026. Okay. All right. I'm excited about this. And this year, everybody is going to start a savings challenge, emergency fund savings challenge, if they don't have one. Yeah. Okay. So today is January 1st, Thursday, January 1st, and this is our money bag savings challenge. We added $20, and the total amount is $20. Yay! Okay, so just kind of forget about the money we've already put away. I had some rolls of quarters that I had saved. But anyway, we're just starting it over now because this is 2026. Yeah. Okay, so, oh yeah, another thing. Live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Stand out of this. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Okay? All right. And you all have a safe, wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. And oh. Let me pull it back up. Happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.